Kids are only asking, Karishma is only asking, mom's only asking for clarity, for transparency.
A massive legal battle has erupted over late businessman Sanjay Kapoor's 30,000 crore rupees empire, and it involves actor Karishma Kapoor's children, Samaira and Kian. Karishma's children have filed a civil lawsuit in the Delhi High Court alleging that their stepmother, Priya Sachdev Kapoor, tried to forge their father's will. The court has now ordered Priya Kapoor to disclose all movable and immovable assets of Sanjay Kapoor as of 12 June 2025, the day he passed away. In a surprising twist, Mandir Kapoor Smith, Sanjay Kapoor's sister, has spoken out and she is supporting Karishma's kids.
The kids are only asking, Karishma is only asking, mom's only asking for clarity, for transparency. Now it's the kids involved, it's all of us. Now everyone wants answers.
I'm very happy about it because finally the family will know something and have some knowledge about anything really. I believe in the justice system in India, so I'm hoping it will bring more clarity, more visibility and transparency to everything.
I believe in the justice system in India, so I'm hoping it will bring more clarity, more visibility and more transparency to everything that's gone.
Mandira didn't stop there. She openly backed Samaira and Kian's decision to take legal action. I stand by them because I do not think that if anyone knows the relationship they have had with their father and for their father not to have them a part of the will, it just doesn't add up, doesn't make sense. So I stand by them.
I stand by them because I do not think if anyone knows the relationship they have had with their father, and for their father not to have them a part of the will is it just doesn't add up. It doesn't make sense. So I stand by them.
Meanwhile, senior advocate Rajiv Nair, representing Priya Kapoor, claimed that the lawsuit isn't maintainable. Karishma Kapoor married Sanjay Kapoor in 2003. The couple had 2 children and divorced in 2016. A year later, Sanjay married Priya Sachdev. On 12 June, Sanjay died during a polo match in England. It was claimed he suffered a heart attack after swallowing a bee, but it was never officially confirmed. As the legal drama unfolds, all eyes are now on the court's next move and the truth behind the will of Sanjay Kapoor.
My niece and nephew, Samaira and Kian, have been raised very well. I'm very proud of what Karishma has done. I'm very proud when I speak to them and they tell me what they're doing in life today. Unfortunately, I've not been allowed to have a relationship with Azarius. But from the few times I've met him, he's an adorable little kid. Very smart as well. So I'm not going to judge as a mother